DJ, cut it. Out of all those songs, you give me a P. Diddy song. See, it's crazy. That's one of my favorite songs. It's crazy when your favorite song and your artist is in all type of trouble. This nigga Diddy is in all type of trouble. Like, how the fuck you get in trouble for having sex in traffic? Nigga. You couldn't wait till you get to the parking lot? What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you, Diddy? This nigga's in so much trouble, they even changed a couple of vocabularies, like lingos, to his name. For example, like, if you say something crazy, like, something that's kind of homosexual, instead of saying pause, you just say no Diddy, for example. My friend, that shirt, that's a nice shirt, my boy. Where you get that shirt, my boy? Flea market? Flea market. That's a nice shirt, man. I love it. I fuck with you with that shirt. No Diddy. Okay? You feel me? Like, I love my little brother to death. I'd rather die for him. He has my heart. I fuck with him 24/7. No Diddy. So it doesn't sound like I'm crazy. You feel me? But that's okay. Make some noise for the graduation class, please. Yes. Yes, because a lot of us in the class did not know it was a stand-up class, believe it or not. You feel me? Like, a lot of them would, I'm not gonna say no name, Lance. I'm not gonna say no name, but he almost whooped his best friend, Robert, for coming in here. Robert knew it was a stand-up class, but Lance thought it was an improv class. That's why they almost got into a fight the last day of school, but we ain't gonna talk about that. I know y'all probably wondering, damn, is he the only black nigga in the class? Yes. Yes. I'm the only nigga and the only Haitian. Any Haitians in here? Aye, sac passé! Sac passé! Shit, the white people looking like, oh my God, he's doing voodoo on stage. It's okay, it's not voodoo, we don't do voodoo, it's okay. And you know, it's graduation night, my dad is not here. I'm not surprised, he wasn't at the first one too. That's all good. And I remember when I told him when I first signed up to go back to school, oh my God, he lost his mind. I say, Dad, I'm going back to school. He said, oh, my son, you go back to school? Hey, Jesus. Hey, Jesus is coming back. Yeah, Jesus coming back. I said, damn, why you gotta do all that? Jesus coming. Yeah. You know, you're going back to school. That's a big accomplishment. He got mad when he found out what I was going to school for. Yeah, that's a big accomplishment. You go back to school. You was the only lost fuck in the family. Now you're doing something with your life. My dad got this thing when his English is stuck. It gives you a high pitch. You was the only dumb fuck in the family, now you go back to school, you're doing something. Why you? I'm gonna leave him alone, man, okay? I'm not gonna talk about my dad. Well, my dad's not here tonight because he lost his mom. Yeah. We found her at the flea market 12 hours later. Like, bitch, you got Alzheimer's, stay home. Like, what the fuck you going outside for? You old, I'm old, stay home. But the crazy part is, she remember where she going, but don't know how the fuck to get back home. Shit. Just stay home. Any married couple in here tonight? That shit, no. So, hey! That nigga didn't even look back. He said, Okay, so where's your partner? Oh, then you're not married tonight, baby. Yeah, you're not married tonight. How long y'all been together? 3 years? Shit, that's better than my last relationship. Yeah, my last relationship, I got dumped. Her husband find out. Yeah, we only been together for 5 years. Okay. I was she saved my number under scam likely. So if there's any married people, is that the flashlight, motherfucker? You're not gonna flash me. I'm from the hood, this is my time, I will rob you. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could stay for long. My name is Chelo. Thank you so much for coming to my graduation. Make some noise for my class. Make some noise for my #1 teacher, Mr. Ramon!